Unraveling the sounds of surprise and curiosity in English conversations. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're delving into a fascinating aspect of English conversation, that is, recognizing surprise and curiosity in speech. Whether it's an unexpected revelation or a sudden spark of interest, these emotional reactions play a vital role in how we communicate. So let's jump right in. To understand surprise and curiosity in speech, let's first define them. Surprise is an unexpected or astonishing event, fact, or thing. Curiosity, on the other hand, is a strong desire to know or learn something. In conversation, expressions of surprise and curiosity are often shown through variations in voice pitch, speed, volume, and tone. You may also hear certain phrases or exclamations that commonly denote these feelings. When it comes to recognizing surprise in speech, there are several key features to listen out for. 1. A sudden rise in pitch. This is often the first indicator of surprise. The speaker's voice might get higher, particularly at the end of a sentence. For example, "You're moving to Spain?" 2. Increase in speech speed and volume. When someone is surprised, they might speak faster or louder due to their heightened emotions. 3. Use of specific phrases and exclamations. Words and phrases like, "Really? No way! You're kidding," are common expressions of surprise. Now, let's turn our attention to curiosity. The signs are slightly different, but just as recognizable. 1. A questioning intonation. This is the hallmark of curiosity. Even if the sentence is not a question, it might sound like one. For example, "You're into skydiving." 2. Prolonged speech. Unlike surprise, curiosity often slows speech down as the speaker takes time to process the new information. 3. Use of specific phrases and questions. Curiosity often manifests in specific phrases or questions like, "Really? How come? Why is that?" The key to mastering these cues is practice. Try to pay attention to how people express surprise and curiosity in English language films, music, and conversations around you. You'll soon start picking up these subtle cues and using them in your own speech to make your conversations more lively and engaging. And that's a wrap on recognizing surprise and curiosity in speech. Hopefully, this video has shed some light on these exciting aspects of conversational English. As always, the more you practice, the easier it gets. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a race. See you in the next video.